Welcome to Marine Science. I'm Andrea Keene. I teach Marine Science 1 and Marine Science 2. I have loved the ocean ever since I was a little girl.
Living in Florida has allowed me to have some great experiences, including snorkeling, scuba diving, and sailing. I am always looking to learn more. In fact, I was recently selected to be a NOAA teacher at sea aboard the Oregon II. I participated in cutting-edge surveying and research. This is the first time I had ever seen a conger eel. Every day in class you will need a notebook or binder, pens, pencils, and colored devices like pencils or markers. You'll need scissors and a glue stick.
And I hope that through this class you will learn more about the ocean and grow in how much you love and respect the things that live there.
As we set sail on this adventure, I am looking forward to what awaits us along the horizon. See you soon in room 229.